Magaling buhay. So it's time for us to enjoy life. Tara mag-travel tayo papuntang Surigao del Sur. Okay, this is a small island in Surigao del Sur. Of course, you can enjoy a very, very refreshing and nature love vibes talaga dito. So if may chance makapunta kayo ng Surigao del Sur, don't forget to visit guys kining ginatawag nilag Arangasa Island. This is an island, small island located at the center of the sea. So dagat talaga siya. So via pump boat before kayo makapunta doon. So of course, very masarap yung mga pagkain dito kasi talagang fresh pa. Hindi siya talagang talaga parang durog na parang hindi bilasa na talaga. So if may chance makapunta kayo dito, it's because nag-trip for bonding pwede kayo dito, and of course affordable lang talaga ang mga pagkain dito guys. So ayan, masarap mag-bonding talaga pag magbarkada kasama kayo, tawanan, and of course kantahan, and then yung kantsawan. Of course, this is the time also na mag-bonding at mag-enjoy talaga. Kaya if may chance bonding time kayo, tara, laag ta. Bye-bye. Enjoy, enjoy.